back to my channel. So today I've decided to do a quick clip-in updo. As you can see, I am wearing my natural hair today. So I've done a pattern for my clip-in. Sure if you can see that. So yes, so I have done a pattern for my clip-in. So this clip-in is for 4C hair and 100% human hair premium blend. It has a ombre color, so it's actually black and brown, so it blends well with my complexion. So I will be using this clip-in. You can see it good. I bought this clip-in my birthday and I only wore it once, and that was on the day of my birthday. Guys, take a quick look. On my birthday I was looking very nice. This clip-in a very nice look, trust me. This clip-in is a very nice hair. So for all my babes out there who don't like wigs and don't like sewing, this is just a quick fix for you. This clip-in is a quick fix, trust me. Very easy to apply. You don't need glue, you don't need a hair cap, you don't need all of those stuff. All you need is just your natural hair braided in an easy pattern that can easily hook the clips in. So get right into this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share with a friend, and even leave a comment and tell me what you think about this nice look. All right guys, let's get right into this video. So guys, this is the end of my video. Please go ahead to like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think about this look. Did I slay it or did I nailed it? So let me know in the comment section, guys. Spark the comment section with your comment. Let me know what you think about this look. Until next time, bye.